Hi students, today I am going to discuss about the changes of section B and section C portion of ISC Mathematics 2021. In the previous class, I discussed about the changes which occurs in section A portion. Today I am going to discuss the important changes, important elimination of section B portion. Actually, these topics are eliminated from the syllabus. Now we are going to discuss what type of changes have occurred. First, let's see that the section formula from the vector portion. From the vector portion, section formulas and triangle inequalities eliminated. Section formulas and triangle inequalities eliminated. Then scalar triple product and volume of parallelepiped and also coplanarity. In the next chapter, scalar triple product, volume of parallelepiped and coplanarity are also removed. Now in 3D geometry, shortest distance between lines, angle between two planes, a line and a plane, symmetric and non-symmetric forms of lines are also removed. Again I discussed that shortest distance between lines, angle between two planes, a line and a plane, symmetric and non-symmetric forms of lines are eliminated. Now in the plane equation of a plane through the intersection of two planes, that is P1 plus KP2, this form also removed. In this portion you must follow that angle between two lines are not removed, angle between two planes removed, and angle between a line and a plane, angle between a line and a plane, angle between two planes, symmetric, non-symmetric forms of lines are removed, but angle between two lines are not removed. Please note that. Okay, angle between two lines are not removed. Please note that. Now in the application of integrals, circles, ellipse, modulus function, trigonometric function, exponential function, logarithm function are also removed. If we discuss about the elimination of application of integral, that maximum portion of application of integrals are removed, that is circle, ellipse, modulus function, trigonometric function, exponential function, logarithm function are excluded, are removed. Only, please write, only simple curves like lines, parabola and polynomial curves are present. Lines, area between two lines, area between a line and a parabola, area between two parabola, and area between line or a polynomial function. So only three portions are included simple curve in the simple curves: line, parabola and polynomial function. Mind it, lines, parabola and polynomial function are included and maximum portion are excluded, that is circles, ellipse, modulus function, trigonometric function, exponential function, logarithm function are eliminated. Now for the section C portion, linear regression. First we discuss about linear regression, where scattered diagram are eliminated. Method of least square are also eliminated, and angle between regression lines and properties of regression lines are removed. So scattered diagram, method of least square, angle between regression lines and properties of regression lines are removed or eliminated. So these are the main changes in the further changes of ISC syllabus. So please note this and in the next classes I will discuss about the definite integration. In the next classes we will discuss about definite integration, and next after that we are going to discuss about 3D geometry. Okay, so please share these videos to your friends, and if you like my effort, please comment. Thanks.